Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign a liked PDF file. If you can't sign your PDF files, you are in a correct channel for troubleshooting this problem. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and keeping on watching these tutorials. First of all, let's consider the problem. The most popular softwares for editing PDF files and filling them or signing them are Adobe Acrobat Reader and Foxit Reader. I try to show you the problem in both of them. Let's check the problem on Foxit Reader. First of all, I open my liked PDF file on Foxit Reader. Okay, after opening, for adding my signature here, I should go to main menu, protect tab, and then select PDF sign. But as you can see here, this option is inactive and I cannot add my signature in this form. I close this software and open this liked PDF file with another software, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. In this program, as you can see, for adding your signature here in the bottom of this form, you should go to right panel and select fill and sign. Fill and sign again, but there's a message. In this message, you can see the author of this form has specified the fields which you can fill. Click on any fields to start filling form. Okay, it shows that just we can fill the form and you cannot add your signature here. For solving this problem, there are two solutions, and we continue to consider all of them. The first solution for troubleshooting this issue is using an online website. I recommend you go to website of smallpdf.com. In its homepage, just use its tools. For unlocking our PDF, we should press the all PDF tools here, and in the bottom of this page, unlock PDF tool. Okay, here I select my PDF file, liked PDF file. Okay, and after uploading, I check this box. I pinky swear that I have the right to edit this file and remove its protection. Unlock PDF. Okay, now my liked PDF file is unlocked. Just download it. Save file. Okay. By opening it again, for adding your signature here, just go to main menu, protect, and you can see this option is activated now. PDF sign, and add your sign here. It's a good way for adding your signature in your liked PDF file. But pay attention that always you cannot solve this problem like the way that I explained you. The problem will not solve as easy as I said to you, and we have another types of liked PDF. For the second solution, I recommend you just open your liked PDF and in the main menu, file, go to print, and here in this window just select the output Microsoft Print to PDF. Here just select Microsoft Print to PDF. and press OK, and choose a name for this new PDF file. Okay, here in this new file you can add your signature. Go to the bottom of your file and protect. You can see this option is activated now. I can add my signature here and scale it. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Just remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you.